Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discuss about dark side of tourism. Cleanliness, Gerber, the main problem of the tourism sector. Gerber is an obstacle in developing tourism in Indonesia. Even was become a top issue in the tourism industry. Destroying environment, relationship of tourism with the environment is complex. It influences many activities that can have adverse environmental Culture tourism is the art of travelers visiting particular destinations in order to express and learn about a particular culture. This can include many activities such as attending events and festivals, visiting museums, and visiting the local food and drink. This is for me. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget subscribe, like. Thanks are for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.